So it's a Thursday evening and it's a gorgeous day, so I thought I'd grab the camera and just show you what's going on in the garden lately. So we have a pot full of lilies. Look at those. I mean, that's one hell of a display, and we're starting to get some displays from these ones as well, which are a gorgeous colour, and the wife's very impressed with them, and I can see why. They're brilliant. She loves lilies. We've got loads of Aran lilies over here, and they'll be coming out on show soon. And we have hanging baskets from the heavens by the looks of it. Yeah, they started off with a few sprigs in, and yeah, they've gone absolutely mad. But yeah, quite a show. We've got 3 of those in total, but unfortunately one of them, hello dear, hello, one of them's over here all hanging up, and that one we never got round to putting anywhere, which is a shame because it looks really nice. But it's a good show on the floor as well, so it fills a hole. Boxes, all nice and trimmed. Somebody did those yesterday.
I did.
Yeah, and well, what can I say? What have we got in there then?
Petunias, lavender, and I don't know what the other stuff's called.
Yeah, very pretty, very pretty.
And that was just 3 little tiny plants like that when I bought them, so it's gone crazy.
Yeah, that's gone crazy, but it's a hell of a show.
It's beautiful.
And the planters have gone, well, absolutely mad. This side certainly. I mean, there's no room in there anymore to see the soil. They've absolutely just gone balmy. But I mean, to be fair, we've had very little sunshine and an awful lot of rain, so they've been well watered. That one's been chopped recently. That was a good flaring display not long ago, but it's been chopped back because they're all starting to die. Yeah, the other border around here, just going around the washing, a little bit less full. I think Deb's had the second couple of bits out here. I think the African marigolds have gone because they were well and truly over. Got some lupins there, and a pot full of, well, all sorts of bits and bobs there. But one of the real big successes is the garden. I mean, the grass has been rubbish here for years. We've never ever had a good display from the lawn. But if you remember, that bit there was all filled in, and that's all now been planted, and that's greened up, and that's looking really nice. And pretty much the same for the bottom bit here. That was all just dirt after we finished remodelling the garden, and it's come back nicely. There's a couple of little bare patches, but again, it's looking good. And some of the planting now is looking good, and I've just noticed one big thing, dear. One big thing, and I'm going to capture it on camera so the whole world can see it. We've got a mushroom. Look at that, I'm going to zoom in on that one if I can. There you go, we have a mushroom. That's how wet it's been lately. Oh god, but yeah, everything's had a good show, but it's some of it's starting to go over a little bit now. But it's still looking nice, you know, the garden's come along nicely. The bamboos have gone absolutely crazy. Hello again.
Hello.
This side we've got a few pots, again, mainly gone over now. We've got an Acer there which Deb wanted. We bought that a little while ago. Hebe, is it that?
These are not gone over. The chrysanthemums are in bud, look.
Oh yeah, silly me. Yeah, they're starting to be in bud, but that one's definitely gone over, whatever that was.
Azalea.
Azalea, okay. And is that a Hebe?
What?
The bush?
No.
No? I've got that wrong then.
I can't remember what it's called.
No, me neither. But I thought it was part of the Hebe family, but I could be totally wrong. That's another Acer, if I remember rightly.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then we had the honeysuckle there, which Deb hacked a little while ago because that had gone mental basically. And yeah, a little bit more planting here. So yeah, I mean, there's unfortunately what's happened now, because I've had so much rain and this was flooded a couple of weeks back up to now basically. We've only just started to get good weather again. We've got a lot of moss and all sorts of things growing, but hopefully it'll stay dry for a few days. We'll give it a dig over, and
I do think we're going to lose that.
I don't know.
Because, look, all the fronds are falling off.
Okay, I'm not going to go and hack it away yet.
I'm going to leave it alone until next year and see what happens.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's had a hard life this year, to be honest.
It
I mean,
didn't like all that rain, did it?
This was flooded. It was flooded completely.
This needs cutting off now. It needs a haircut like that one had, and then it'll bloom again.
Get on with it, then. You go.
Well, I've been waiting for the garden to dry. It was too wet when I cut the grass earlier.
You've got 5 minutes now, go for it. Bye bye. Oh, you're going to do it, are you? I was only joking. Ooh. I'm in trouble. So that is pretty much the garden update. Again, we've had some good shows. The grass has really turned out nice. It's getting cut a couple of times a week where we can in between the rain showers, but yeah, pretty impressed. It's looking pretty good. So there you go, that is a garden update on the, I think the 27th of June we are today. It's a Thursday and we have blue skies. Gorgeous. There you go. And now the wife's hacking. Look at that. I've shamed her into doing some gardening. And on camera as well, so you can all see it.
Excuse me, I cut the grass earlier.
You cut the grass, okay.
I did.
Okay. I'm in trouble. What are you throwing that at me for? It's not necessary, that's just pure violence. It's captured on tape as well.
Oh dear.
Captured on tape, like we ever use tape. Tape went out with the arc. Right, say goodbye to everybody while you get busy. Bye. There you go. Our garden. 2019. A happy place. Now, just to end the video off as well, I wanted to bring you out the front and just show you what's gone on out here as well. So, join me. So this is our clematis and our fuchsia, which started off as a sprig God knows how many years ago, but it was a long time ago, probably about 15 years ago now. That comes back every year, gives a great show. And we've got the planters in the front as well. Not sure if I captured these at any point, but yeah, a couple of stone planters in the front, and again, a really good show for the front of the house.